तो स्वागत है एक और वीडियो में। ये पार्ट 2 होगा। पार्ट 1 में हमने सीखा था हाउ टू क्रिएट मॉक सर्वर ब्लेजमीटर के अंदर, और ये वीडियो है, आप जाके देख सकते हो। ओके, या डिस्क्रिप्शन या इधर आई आइकन बटन पे मिल जाएगा। सो आज हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू क्रिएट योर डाटा। ओके, सो जस्ट इमेजिन आपके पास एक्सेल में डाटा है और आप उसको यूज़ करना चाहते हो अपने एपीआई रिक्वेस्ट एंड रिस्पॉन्स में एनीवेयर। ओके, सो हाउ यू कैन, और अगर आपके पास नहीं है डाटा और आप डाटा क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, लाइक डमी डाटा यू वांट, सो फॉर दैट आल्सो यू कैन डू। ओके, सो हम मॉक सर्वर में आएंगे, हमारे पिछले मॉक सर्वर में। ओके, जो था फेक डाटा सर्विस, जो हमने वीडियो पार्ट 1 में यूज क्रिएट किया था। ओके, इफ यू आर watching this second video, same procedure, only the thing, we will create a data. Okay, so आप फॉलो अलॉन्ग कर सकते हो इस वीडियो के साथ भी। ओके, लेट्स गो। So okay, these are our mock server. Okay, so let's go. Okay, mock server is fake data, correct? Okay, click on plus icon. Okay, so what we want, so last time create post. Okay, let me okay, so click on plus icon, go to service data. Okay, now plus icon will be there, click on plus icon, give here, I will give test data test, and there will lot of option will be there. Okay, as of now we will create our own data. So test data, again plus icon. Now we will add our dummy request response, whatever the data. Okay, so we have three options. One is create, like you create your own. Okay, new parameter you create, in that we will tell you what is that. Then CSV file and attach CSV file. Okay, so as of now we will go with the example one. So in example, in the sense, already data will be there. Okay, just you need to import and use it. So which one? Credit card. ओके, लेट्स गो क्रेडिट कार्ड। इफ यू गो इनटू द क्रेडिट कार्ड, हमारे पास इतने सारे ऑप्शन हो गए, एक्सपायर्ड क्रेडिट कार्ड, वैलिड, इनवैलिड। ओके, सो जावास्क्रिप्ट, सी, like combination of and all, JSON example, user ID, object, all this regex will be there. Okay, so anyone you can use. So let's go with this JSON. Okay, even I didn't try till now. Okay, so let's give this one. So email address, employee code, employee first name, it's look like किसी एम्प्लॉयर का आईडी ये सब दे रहा है। सो लेट्स गिव emp. Okay, let's create it, like query parameter, anything we want. So this one will be the get call. Okay, let's go. Then in request header, we will give application, there is not content type, we will give. Okay, content type, then application slash JSON. Okay, body. Okay, so go to process, save again. So keep saving. Okay, it's a recommended. Sometime a BlazeMeter will get stuck, or it will be an issue. Then better to uh, save as you go. Let's go. So response I want. Okay, so in let's make get call. Okay, so in header we will pass user ID. Okay, and we will get the email address. Okay, so let's copy this one. Okay, if you I button is there. Okay, so just preview, if you click on that you will get here one value. Okay, so like Krish. So okay, so copy this one, we will pass as a header or query parameter. Okay, as a query parameter. Okay, so query parameter, user ID. Okay, user ID. Okay, equals to this value, user slash ID. Okay, now go to response now. Okay, any header is there. Okay, and we want, let's see the example, we want employee ID, email address, sorry. So we will get this email address. Okay, just copy this one and paste it. So you can adjust as per your need. Okay, as of now, like what I am saying, like you want JSON, so keep this in JSON format. Okay, and mention here email. It's not valid. So last time we valid. Okay, JSON validator. Okay, so if we go here, why I am doing, I will tell you. Let me do this one. Okay, so validate, see, string got. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, got it. Stick there. Now we will get like this. If we didn't get this two option, that means our JSON is invalid. Okay, whatever the things we are doing, JSON is valid. Okay, thing is fine, I guess. Let's save this one. Okay, again, let's see. Process section, anything is required, I guess. There, no. Response request. Okay. Header query parameter. Okay, so let this one get email. Okay, and save this. Save. Let's move data setting and data. So which one? Anything else? No, I guess. Set catalog, Gmail, no. Mark server. So let's wait. We will get our data, whatever the data we have created, we will get here. See here. So you will get this type of. Okay. So from here you can define. So as of now, I'll create the 5 table, 5 rows. Okay. So we will get the 5 rows of employee data. Okay, so team David Krish, and user ID, and with that we will get the email address. Okay, so as of now this is looking fine. Let's save this one. Okay, let's go to a transaction, move this to the other side. Okay, save. Let's start our server. So it will take some time, and again, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Okay, uh, amazing videos. Okay, subscribe, let me know any suggestion you want to give me. Okay, see you next video. So let's wait for our server up and running. Meanwhile, let's me open Postman as well, because from there only we will trigger and we will get the request. We will trigger the request and we will verify the response, whatever the response we have set. Okay, so this one is a get. So in header we were passing, it will take some time. Meanwhile, we will do all these things. Okay, so we are not passing header, we will passing query param. So, okay, so param, here will be the value. Yeah, it's still running. Let's go to the data. We will get the user ID. Okay, mock service automatically expiring. Okay, oh, this will get. Okay, okay. Okay, where is our data? Where is data? Response, user ID, user ID, and okay, should get here. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so I guess there is some issue. As of now, I'm not sure why I'm getting this one. The same data. Previously, I was getting something else. Okay, so let's make this call and let's see. So this is our call. Is this one? Why am I getting this one? Employer. Now it's correct. And param user ID, user ID. Okay, and the value. So the query param we are given. Let's give param on delay. I'm not sure why I'm getting the duplicate data. It should not be key. Okay, let me submit. Let me go. The ID, send request. We'll wait. Okay, we got 200 and see here, David Romans. We'll get a response. See, now it is same. It should not be same actually. Different data will be there. But we use our data. Okay, so as per our mock data we have created. Okay, let me check why I got this duplicate data. By the way, should not be there.